what is your relation to nature as an Indian?
In Indian culture, Earth is our mother, and we are son of Mother Earth. And if you don't like to give poison to our mother, then why we will use poison, and why we will give poison to Mother Earth? Because our mother is individual mother, but the Earth mother is mother of everyone, human being, insects, animal, and everyone, microorganisms also. Thank you.
Thank you. And a last funny question. How do you say earthworm in Indian?
Earthworm, Kenchua. Kenchua is earthworm,
And
who
why?
give us new soil from very deep, that called earthworm crust. And that earthworm also help us to recharge groundwater. The earthworm make so many holes, and that earthworm make filter earth. And then when the rain come, because of the holes, we can also fill or recharge the groundwater. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, Chander.